Oh, I am wearing my new shoes today.
Wow! Your new shoes are looking very nice.
Thank you. I bought them yesterday.
Do you have enough money with you? Do you have enough money with you?
Yes, I have a lot of money today. Yes, I have a lot of money today.
Good. Then we have nothing to worry about.
I took a shower this morning before coming out. I took a shower this morning before coming out.
I also had a bath early this morning. I also had a bath early this morning. The weather is nice and sunny today. The weather is nice and sunny today.
Yes, it is a perfect day for walking. Yes, it is a perfect day for walking.
Walk carefully because the road is uneven here. Walk carefully because the road is uneven here.
I know. I am walking very carefully. I know. I am walking very carefully.
Are your new shoes comfortable on your feet? Are your new shoes comfortable on your feet?
Yes, they are feeling very comfortable right now. Yes, they are feeling very comfortable right now. Do you have your wallet with you? Do you have your wallet with you?
Yes, my wallet is inside my pocket now. Yes, my wallet is inside my pocket now.
Good. We may need money on the way.
I am carrying enough money for today. I am carrying enough money for today.
Perfect. Then we do not need to worry. Perfect. Then we do not need to worry.
Look, the road is looking so beautiful today.
I woke up very early this morning. I woke up very early this morning.
What time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 in the morning. I woke up at 6 in the morning.
That is very early. Good for you. That is very early. Good for you. We are now walking side by side together.
Yeah?
We are now walking side by side together.
I can see a beautiful garden ahead of us. I can see a beautiful garden ahead of us. Our old house is in this village nearby. Our old house is in this village nearby. We used to live here a long time ago. We used to live here a long time ago.
Those were very happy days for both of us.
Oh.
Those were very happy days for both of us.
I am missing our old house very much. I am missing our old house very much. Do you remember the big mango tree? Do you remember the big mango tree?
Of course. It was standing beside our old house. Of course. It was standing beside our old house.
We used to sit under that tree together. We used to sit under that tree together.
Yes. We spent so much time there together. The village is looking the same as before. The village is looking the same as before.
Some things have changed, but most are the same. Some things have changed, but most are the same.
But good memories always stay with us forever.
Oh, I am feeling very tired right now. Oh, I am feeling very tired right now.
Are you okay? Are your feet hurting?
You?
Are you okay? Are your feet hurting?
Yes. My feet are hurting a little now.
We should stop and rest for a while.
No.
We should stop and rest for a while.
I need to sit down somewhere right now. I need to sit down somewhere right now.
Look, there is a bench right over there. Look, there is a bench right over there. I am sitting right beside you now. I am sitting right beside you now. Yes, rest is important when you are tired. Yes, rest is important when you are tired.
I am drinking some water from my bottle. I am drinking some water from my bottle. Our old house is not far from here. Our old house is not far from here. That house holds so many memories for us. That house holds so many memories for us. I am feeling much better after that rest. I am feeling much better after that rest.
Good. Are you ready to start walking again?
Good.
Are you ready to start walking again?
Almost. Let me rest for just a little more. Almost. Let me rest for just a little more.
Of course. Please take all the time you need. Of course. Please take all the time you need.
Look, some children are playing over there now.
They are running and laughing together happily. They are running and laughing together happily.
I want to visit here much more often. I want to visit here much more often.
I agree. We should be coming every single month. I agree. We should be coming.
Every single month.
We could bring our children with us.
2. I am standing up slowly from the bench. I am standing up slowly from the bench.
Hold my hand. I am helping you now.
Ah, the gate is still looking the same. Ah, the gate is still looking the same.
Yes, even the color has not changed at all.
Yes.
Even the color has not changed at all.
I am touching the gate with my hand now. I am touching the gate with my hand now.
So many years have passed since we left here.
Yeah.
So many years have passed since we left here.
I do not want to leave this place today. I do not want to leave this place today.
I know. But we must go back home now.
Can we come back here again very soon?
Yes. I promise we will be coming back soon.